So let's just talk about different features of the MongoDB Compass application. So the MongoDB Compass is a graphical user interface for MongoDB, and it provides a visual way to interact with the MongoDB database. So first of all, we have to make a connection to the MongoDB database. Either this can be locally hosted database or it can be remotely hosted cloud database. So in this video, we're gonna connect to the local database. So for this, we have to paste our connection string. For local database, this is MongoDB/localhost and then the port number. And then we have to just click on connect, and the MongoDB Compass will be connected to the local MongoDB database. And inside that, you can see we have multiple databases. So these are the databases, they came by default. Now we can create our own database. We have to click on this plus icon, and first of all we have to provide one name to the database. So we're gonna call this DemoDB, and then we have to add one collection in the database. So in MongoDB there must be one collection in the database in order for the database to exist. So we're gonna call the collection students collection, and then click on create database. And you can see we have the DemoDB, and inside that we have the students collection. Now we can create multiple collections inside the database. So we have to click on this plus icon, and then we can create another users collection, and then click on create collection. So you can see we have two collections inside our new database. And also we can remove the collection. So we have to click here and then click on drop collection. And for confirmation, we have to type the name of the collection and then click on drop collection, and our collection will be deleted. Now to add documents in the collection, we can import the data. That means we can import some JSON or CSV file, or we can manually input the data. We have to click on insert document. So here we can add different fields, name of the student, we can add the role of the student and the email ID, and then click on insert, and you can see the document is inserted inside the students collection. And also while inserting the document, we can use this table form where we can click on this add field, and here we can add different fields. Like in example, we can add the name can be Sam, and we can create another field like role, and we can change the data type. So this is string, so we can convert this to integer, and also we can add the email field. So click on insert. So you can see we have successfully inserted two documents inside the students collection. Now here you can see we have, so this is in tabular form, and also we can use the JSON format, and also we can use the grid format to view the documents. Let's now see how we can update the document. So for this we have to click on this edit button, and then we can edit different fields. So we can change the name of the student. So we can rename this to Tom, and then we can click on update, and the document will be updated. And also we can delete any particular document. So we have to click on this delete icon, and then we have to click on delete, and our document will be deleted. So we have added few of the documents. So we have seen that how we can create, read, update and delete documents in the database. Now let's see how we can find one document based on some query. So for this, here we have to type the query. So let's just find the student whose name is Sam. So we have to click on find. So you can see we have got the document where the name is Sam. Similarly, also we can use multiple fields to find any specific document from this collection. Now from here we can even export the data in different formats. And lastly, to disconnect the existing connection, we have to click on connect and then click on disconnect, and the compass will be disconnect from the database. And now we can create new connection. So we have to paste the new URI to connect the Compass app to that MongoDB database, and we can perform all the different operations. So hope you understand how we can use this MongoDB Compass application, and we can visually interact with the MongoDB database. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.